Howard has a frozen take on a famous mixed drink today in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Did you ever have an ice-cold glass of homemade sangria with lots of fruit in it that was so good you can still remember it? If you know what I'm talking about, then you're going to go crazy over what we're making today. It's a cool and refreshing frozen take on sangria, known in Italy as Granita. Here in the States, it's more of a fruity flavored shaved ice, which goes together like this. What we do is add a cup of water to a saucepan along with some sugar. After that dissolves, we add some grape juice, orange juice, fresh blackberries or raspberries, and a couple sticks of cinnamon. We let this simmer for a bit, then we add some red wine, and we let it simmer a little longer. At this point, we strain it to remove the cinnamon stick and any seeds from the berries. Once it cools, cover it and pop it in the freezer to set up overnight. Right before serving it, we scrape it with a fork, like this, which creates our fruity shaved ice. 1 spoonful, and you're going to be making this all summer long. It tastes just like a sangria in the form of a slushie. To get your hands on our icy sangria Granita, all you need to do is check out our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an icy, fun, and fruity way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at koamnewsnow.com.